Hello guys, so welcome once again to this channel and thank you for always watching my video. Okay, so if you applied or if you submitted your application last year, which is 2023, for the DV lottery, then the results are going to be released on 4th May 2024. That is this coming Saturday, which is 4th May 2024. And when the result is released, the most important thing is for you to go and check the status whether you won or you were unfortunate. Okay, so in this video, one of the most important thing that you need to check your result is the confirmation number. And in case you have forgotten your confirmation number, you have misplaced it, I'm going to show you guys how you'll be able to recover or retrieve that confirmation number. Okay, so we just have to go to your browser. Just go to your browser and search for this dvlottery.state.gov. Okay, so this is what you are going to see. There are a lot of information that you're going to look at here. So all I have to do, just scroll down, you see check status. So we just have to click on check status and you wait for some minutes for it to load, and you'll be able to see a whole lot of information here. You can take your time and read it. Okay, then you will see continue. So entrance status checker instruction, they have status or instruction here. So these are the things that you need in order for you to check your status. Okay, you have the number, that's the confirmation number. You have the last name, that is the family name, and year of birth. Okay, so let's go on. So you click on continue. Now after clicking on continue, you see confirmation number.
So let's take it that we are mixed our confirmation number. So we just click on forgot confirmation number. All right. So just click on and you see this is verify entrance. So we have select a diversity visa program here to check, and then you have here name. All right. So with the name, you enter your family name first. You enter your next name or your first name first. If you have middle name, you enter it here, but in case you don't have middle name, you take this box, then you scroll down, you enter your date of birth, month first, day, and then the year. After that, you enter the email address that you used when you apply for this DV lottery. When you are done, you enter this code that they have provided here. You type it in this space provided, and after that you hit on submit, and you'll be able to retrieve your confirmation number. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.